So yeah, I'd love to get your thoughts on like how have you seen that application evolve over the years?
Absolutely. And I think being closely working through with you guys to through the last 3 years, right? And I think when I joined Tide, I think we just then set up Paradigm, or we're setting up Paradigm, and it was new to me as well. And all of us here, oh, that's cool. We have a web-based IDE that we can use, and there were questions going around. Okay, but do we really need this? We have the same thing on local, and back then it was just the IDE. We didn't
Yeah,
have Bolt, we didn't have the Copilot stuff or Dino AI and all of those,
yeah,
right? So we didn't have all of
yeah,
those. But then we were like, yeah, no, we need this because it's easy, great to manage, don't need all those local setups, and then people can onboard real quick back then when our team was growing. And I think from then on, we have Bold come through. And then I think back in the day, we had Airflow, our own custom setup of orchestrating stuff. Bolt was great. Like, just write a YAML, whatever, schedule, simple, put it out there. Then Radar came out, which is something I was pretty excited to, where you
mm,
also monitor your stuff, whatever you're building, and how the performance scales and all. And with Dino AI as well, having more context on building stuff. It's like you're adding all those pieces to the ecosystem, like you're building your Snowflake schema of, okay, what is the DevX toolkit that an analytics engineering team would need. So it's pretty cool to see you guys grow through. And while at the same time, one thing that stood out for me was there's a lot of stuff that's being built, but like whenever we needed you guys, you're just like a Slack message away. So it was great to have that too.